Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will tell you about popular multi-vendor marketplaces for e-commerce platforms in 2022. E-commerce marketplace platform or more opportunities. Multi-vendor marketplaces and platform have taken the world by storm as it research reaches a whopping 24 million sites globally. If you have shopped at all Blacks, Orange, Weber, Ghostbats, Singers, or even visited the online bookstore of replay, believe it or not, then you know what I am talking about. If you did not already know this, according to Blair, you are among 2.05 million global buyers, 25% of the world population. This is because the internet is becoming easier to access globally. About 45% and having a physical presence of the shop is slowly fading away. What is multi vendor marketplace? What is essential? A multi vendor marketplace platform all together. Take an e-commerce store for example. It compares products of a vendor and a shopping cart pertaining to those products. A multi-vendor marketplace is a large-scale e-commerce store where multi-vendors can sell their products and services. So, what make a good e-commerce marketplace platform or a multi-vendor place platform? I will help you to save the searching for these multi-vendor market plugin and extensions. Before we start, you should be asking yourself the following question: when selection platform or for multi-vendor store. Number one, is it easy to register? Does it have an elastic search to cater to the consumer behavior? Is the process of adding reviews simple, quick, and device compatible? Is it easy to set up payment mechanism? How many platform features actually fit your requirements? Table of contents. Number one, token WooCommerce plugin. Number two, Moises WordPress marketplace. Number three, with WooCommerce multi-vendor extensions. Number four, biggest multi-vendor marketplace. Webcol Magment 2 multi-vendor marketplace. SetCommerce. Again, to marketplace extensions, land of coder marketplace multi-vendor model of Magno to Webul multi-vendor extensions, multi-vendor marketplace model CMS Smart. Number 10, Gausser multi-vendor grocer marketplace, advanced multi-vendor marketplace model Webul. Number 12, multi-vendor marketplace model no band marketplace pro model FME models. Your cart multi-vendor marketplace platform CS cart multi-vendor Xylem commerce enterprise grade marketplace platform. List of best multi-vendors marketplace platforms. Using a multi-vendor marketplace is a great way to manage all aspects of a website. You can manage products, vendors, and commerce communications. Manage products, vendor, and communications right from the dashboard without involving your developer of or every minor adjustment. Now let's take at the best platforms for multi-vendor e-commerce marketplace in details. Okay guys, thank you watching for my video. See you next time. Bye bye.